In this video, I will show how to transpose a table in Microsoft Word document. So insert your table and insert this table with data. So now we have this table with dummy data selected. Then copy, open Microsoft Excel, paste here with source formatting. Select it, then copy and open Microsoft Word. Right click and now click any another cell. Right click and paste as transpose. Now select it and copy. Now paste in Microsoft Word with source formatting. So select this first option, keep source formatting. Now select it and in this table layout, you can select auto fit content, auto fit window, or auto fit fixed column width. So select your required setting. In table design, you can give a better look, stylish. You can make it like this. So we can see we can transpose table in Microsoft Word using this method. And guys, if you need to transpose your table without getting the help of Microsoft Word, so you need a macro. So check the video in description link and I will provide you the code for macro so you can transpose your data in Excel using that macro button. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.